Hi guys. So this is my first of my video vlogs that I'm making. And it's actually, if I upload it like now, when I do upload it, it's not going to be the week that we actually did it. It's going to be like last week. But it's okay. This is my first of my video vlogs of us in Hillsboro, Oregon. Double chin time. So it's just for you guys to see what us Imadas are up to. This is so dry. Oh, wait. So enjoy. Of Casey.
Wakey, wakey, wakey. It's the late afternoon. The sun is shining. The stars are sleeping. And outside says hello. This is our morning routine. We wake up and take Sam walking because we have no backyard, so he has to go shishi. And it's usually me who has to do it, or mom or dad. Princess Casey never does. Haha, just joking. Kind of, not really. But yeah, it's a little bit gray and a little bit of blue and a little bit of green and a little bit of orange.
We are up and we are ready to go.
We're rearing with energy. And that's the breakfast I made. And it's eaten by Casey. How's the breakfast?
Gross.
Hey.
Delicious.
We're all going down to Corvallis to pick up my roommate Jennifer.
Jennifer. On the road again. Let's try harmonize already. On the road again. Oh baby, I'm on the road again. We're finally at our first rest stop, and mom's looking at some snacks. There's that. We're just walking. I'm filming. Say hi. We're gonna go to. I need you more than ever. Ow! Oh! I hate nature. Ow! This hurt me. No. Ow! My toe. Squirrel. Like little Orphan Annie man. I'm in the car because I'm ready to go. I don't do nature that much, so yeah. I didn't like that whole outdoors thing. And I don't like the trees. And I don't like the leaves. And I don't like the sticks.
He's a true alpha mom.
We are discussing
He didn't even need to be like bitten or like kill any alpha. He just was.
He still has his. Yes, you know,
That
like,
makes Derek give up his
that
alpha
makes,
power
yeah,
so he can follow freaking Scott.
Just, yeah, you know.
He follows Scott now?
Yeah, he's like a little puppy dog.
Yeah, but we're at Walgreens.
Gonna get some snackies.
Gonna get some snackies. Snacky time, snacky time. Snacky.
Oh, wow.
It's so small.
It's a cute shirt. What size is that?
I think it's all. It's. I think
I think it's gonna go.
No, it's really beautiful.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You find what you were looking for? You bet.
Oh, you bet. Carrie? Did you find the snacks? You're my inspiration. Bald eagles aren't extinct anymore. Fact of the day. I think. I think it's, yeah. I don't know. Try Google that. Bald eagle was removed from the U.S. federal government's list of endangered species. Yeah. Bald eagles are not endangered. Yay, bald eagles! Yay, bald eagles! Hi, Carrie.
Hola.
I'm making a vlog for the people back home.
That's Jennifer.
That's Jennifer in all her glory.
Oh, yes.
Mama,
Hi.
what are we doing today?
Today we are off to go berry picking.
Berry bar, no spray. You pick berries, strawberries, lavender, milkshakes.
We picked milkshakes.
Apparently, you can pick milkshakes. Are you guys excited to pick berries?
Very. I would like the first hand at that milkshake bush. The milkshake.
So you have to grab a bucket.
Please.
I can share with Dad.
Oh my god. How many types of berries? It said a bucket for each type of berry. Why isn't the strawberry one open?
I know. I really want to strawberries.
Grapes.
Can you like?
Excuse me, but you forgot milkshake.
We're gonna pick some berries. Pick some berries. They like limited us and we can't pick strawberries. Shall we pick some raspberries? So when I came here I thought it'd be like super big berry bush, like you see a whole bunch of berries. But apparently you gotta literally like dig in the bushes. And we all know Casey don't like nature, so alright. This is not what I expected. I thought it'd be like an actual big bush. And you could just, you know, like in animations. This is ridiculous.
I don't know.
I'm guessing when it's blue.
It has to be like really dark blue, yeah.
Well, all the dark blue ones are on the ground.
These ones?
I'm guessing the really blue ones.
Go here too.
Oh, this one. They don't give you like a berry lesson? How you know? I'm guessing that's a good one. Let's pick it. Nah.
What's the difference? Those are blackberries.
Berries! Raspberries are harder to pick. They're like super like, they're like all the way in there, it's hard to see. I have to like be one with nature when I pick them. I hate it.
Careful the snake there.
Quiet. Mini, mini, mini. Mini, 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 mini. Mini, mini, mini. Raspberries.
There's some ants over there or something.
Oh. I've decided that every time we go to the next berry, it gets harder. Because right now, we're supposed to be getting blackberries, but none of them, as you can see, are black. Ah! This little bugger was found in my freaking shoe. And they're leaving me. Trying to put my shoe. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. Hello. You're so cute. So I tried to touch a chicken and it pet my finger and I'm bleeding.
Really?
Yeah. Okay guys, my week has ended. It is Sunday It is 11:52. Oh my god, it's almost the next week. It's almost Monday. Jen, in 8 minutes,
7 minutes.
it's gonna be Monday and it's gonna be the day that you have to leave.
Jen has to leave.
Jen, say hi. Hi.
Hi. Look at her. Doesn't she look like an elf? Like from Rivendell?
From Rivendell.
Yeah.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
I'll show you after. I'll take a picture of you and then I'll say that you're the new elf. So, but yeah, we ended our not our year, our week, not our year, and we're all tired and we're gonna go to sleep. So, footsie goodbye. No, I hate that thing. I hate that thing. No. Ready? End with the pretty face.